What's going on, everybody? I'm Tony. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Cresson, Texas yet again for the 7th round of the CMRA Championship. Today's video is just going to be some highlights from the weekend. Per usual, I'm competing in the Grom Race. I hope I don't get destroyed like I did last round. A 300 race, and hopefully, if all things go right, a 6-hour endurance. If you like the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up down below, and if you enjoy the content, consider subscribing. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. So I threw up in my brand new fucking helmet. That's cool. Because you don't. This heat is no joke.
I did.